Right folks, welcome back to another video from a cold, damp and miserable Derbyshire. But look on the bright side, at least we're outdoors enjoying life. So, as I've hinted at in previous videos, I want to use the trangia burner with my Solognac, I don't know whether I'm saying that right still, stove. And the criteria were I didn't want to carry anything extra really. So I've come up with this solution, and I think this is going to be my final solution. What it's using is the trangia winter attachment. This is an extra you buy for when you're using the trangia in extreme cold weather, and it attaches to the two rings on the trangia. We have two indentations on a genuine trangia to accept this attachment. So with that, combined with the lid placed upside down and then the winter attachment sat on top of it, brings the top of the trangia to around 40 to 45 millimeters from the top of the Solognac stove. The normal height measured on both my trangia triangle and my trangia 27 is around 30 to 35 millimeters, so it's within range. And as you can see, if I just like that, it brings it close enough to the actual grill. Just pop that on there. Struggling to see without my glasses on. It brings it close enough to the actual grill. Oh, that didn't light. And try again. Yeah, it brings it close enough to the grill for it to be an effective source of heat for cooking and boiling water. I think this is the final solution I'm going to stick with. I'm not going to mess about anymore with different methods, and I hope this has been of some use to you guys. If it has, please hit that like and or subscribe button, and remember, no matter what the weather and how miserable it is, keep on dabbling.